welcome to AFM analysis. So we've got our samples that we've mounted on a slide. But we've got our aluminum master, and then we've got the polycarb mold and also our PDMS mold. We've just cut them up small and mounted them on the slide. And we're going to be looking at these with the AFM. So AFM is atomic forcing microscope. We'll probably be talking about it a bit in class, but we're going to have these super small tips. So I'll be loading in one of these. I don't know how we'll be able to see. All those shiny little metal bits are our tips. And basically, if you were to zoom way in on the part of it that you can't see, you get this long cantilever that has the tip attached to it. And the tip is what's going to be scanning across our sample, and a laser is going to be shooting onto the top here. And as the tip moves across the surface, the laser will get deflected differently into our detector, and that's what's going to create the image that we'll see on the computer. And that's what we're going to be looking for, the grooves in the CD that contain the data. That's the pattern. So let's get started. We've got our sample holder here, and the piece that the tip is going to get inserted into is this very small piece here. And it's got kind of a little metal lever that's going to hold the tip in. So I'm going to take a new tip out of here. And this is the part that we have to do very delicately. And hope that I don't mess up. Take that tip, and I'm going to slide. Slide it in the holder and just adjust it a little bit. You can see it. So you can just see the tip reflecting a bit at the end there. Maybe we'll send some pictures too. So now that we've got that situated, we're gonna align our laser on the tip. So we're gonna come on over to our instrument. This is all of the good stuff. So in order to align the laser, we're going to have to use this camera here. So I'm going to take the sample holder off of that, and I'm going to just slide it on to this little nub, theoretically, and click it into place. Okay, so now we've turned our laser on, and you can actually see there's the very edge of the tip there with the cantilever sticking off, and that's our laser. So we just want to align it using some knobs on top, and I'm just going to move it so it's right on the edge of the tip like that. And we're going to need our sample, so I'll go get it. So I've got our sample slide here. I'm going to put it so the aluminum is on the left, I guess, and stick it in the slot up here, and then that'll clamp our sample in there. Great. We've aligned our laser here, but now we need to do some more alignment. If you can see these numbers here, we want to center that. So it's basically aligning the detector. So I'm going to adjust some of our knobs here and see. and it's a really fun game. So that's pretty good. We're within 0.1. So our detector and laser are aligned. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this on up and insert it up here. And it just fits right in the little slots. So now you can see our tip is floating over the sample.